We are going to continue with lesson 20 of our Bootstrap Thymeleaf tutorial. We've come so far. We are gradually coming to an end. In the previous tutorial, we were able to display a blank form with nothing on it. So we now want to complete and test the insert operation so that when we enter some items or some text in the text field and click on submit, we actually insert it. So for now, the first thing we want to do is to give names. You need to give names, not just ID, but names to the text fields. So this name is equal to ID. Name is equal to ID. Okay, so this case, name is equal to name. In this case, name is equal to department. Now the names you give to this text field must be exactly the same name in the model. So if you have let me get to the model because this is really so important to know. So the same names you define in this model class, we have ID, name, department, updated by will be exactly the same name you give to the form fields, right? That is what you should know. So in this case, name is equal to and it has to be case sensitive, updated by, and the last one, name equal to updated on, right? Now the IDs, they're okay, they need to be changed to something meaningful, but we don't have that time. It doesn't matter. But for you, take some time, change the IDs to something meaningful. All right, so now the next thing we want to do is to change the button to a link. Yeah, the button has to be a link. Change the button from save to submit, okay, and set the action to this, okay. So from save the button, this button that has to save it, we are going to change the type to submit, okay. Now the action on the form, not the action on the button, the action on the form has to be submit to the endpoint for add new, right? So we have this form here, we have to say, but now we are working with Thymeleaf, we have to say th action equals, now to specify links in Thymeleaf, you need to use the @ symbol. You have @ open and close braces. Remember that when we did for text, normal text, we use the $, as you can see. But now we are specifying a link, URL endpoint. We need to use the @ symbol. So the endpoint is going to be /students /add new. Okay. So /students /add new. That is the endpoint. And at this point, we basically have completed the add operation. We are now going to test it, put in some data. Okay, we also need to set the method to post. So I'm going to set method equal to post, okay? All right. So I'm going to just save it and I'm going to test it. So let's test it and see. So let's see how it goes. So Tomcat actually should start, and it started. Okay, so now let's go to our page. Now we are going to try to enter some items. First, I'm going to refresh the page. We are going to try to enter some items and then save. So let's say ID of 5. The name. Let's just enter a name. Just say Julian Assange, the hacker. Assange, department is to be hacking. It will be updated by Kani, that's my name. Updated on 2019 006. Today is 30, and let's save and see. Oh, great! So you can see Julian Assange He's now in the system. He's been added. It worked perfectly. So in case you are doubting whether it worked, let's add another one. So 6. Let's look for another hacker. Edward Snowden. Edward Snowden. Department is black hacking. Black hack. Updated by Quinton the genius. Updated today. 2019. Okay, let me just choose something from here. Yeah, save. You can see Edward Snowden, a black hacker, have been added. So the insert is working perfectly. Let's see, the next item on the line is now the edit function that we are going to be working with. I'd like to thank you for viewing. Is this informative for you? Click on the subscribe button and also like this video and leave me a comment if you have any challenges or to tell me thank you.